Hi, let us begin our journey with Microsoft Excel. But first, how do we access Microsoft Excel? Well, we can find almost every applications that are installed in a Windows system here under the Start menu. We click on this and we see many applications that are installed here in this computer. Now, Excel is something which I have been frequently using, and so I find it under the most used application list here. Well, for those who do not find it here, you can just scroll down. All your applications are arranged alphabetically. So we scroll down till we find the E section, and here we get Excel. You can click on this icon and you have an Excel file open. Well, for those who find it inconvenient to scroll down every time to open a blank Excel file, well, what we can do is we can just drag this icon and leave it on the desktop over here. And we have a new icon created on the desktop. We can anytime double click on this icon and still open a new Excel file. Well, in case if you do not want to have too much of clutter on your desktop with many icons, I still have an alternate option for you. You can click on Start menu again, drag the Excel icon onto the right side amongst the tiles that you see over here. Well, most of the tiles are preset by Microsoft. We have just added one more tile by dragging this icon and dropping it over here amongst the tiles. So now it's readily available. The moment I click on Start and I see Excel over here. That's quite convenient, right? Well, just in case if you do not want to have any icons anywhere but still you want to readily access it, there's one more option that you have. You see a search bar over here next to the Start menu. Well, we can click on this search bar and type EXCEL. In fact, you can also search for any applications that might be installed on the system. Just type the name and you will find it readily available here. You can either click on this section or here on this icon, and there we go. No shortcuts, no icons. Just search over here for the one that you're looking for and you can easily access it. Quite convenient and not much cluttering.